How to do personal introduction in your PTE exam. Just before your speaking section starts, you will have to provide a personal introduction.
So you will have 25 seconds to prepare and 30 seconds to record your answer.
Although this task is not scored, but the system is still trying to analyze your voice, your pitch, your accent. So it is highly recommended that you prepare and memorize the answer in advance. In the first sentence, obviously you're going to say the greeting like hello, good morning, and then you say your full name along with your English name if you have one. And in the second sentence, you're going to say where you're from originally. And in the third sentence, you're going to say what is your current occupation, or what you're currently studying and where. In the fourth sentence, you can talk about your hobbies, like just keep it short, like I like swimming or reading or traveling. And in the last sentence, you're going to say why you're doing the PTE test today. Maybe it's for immigration or for study, so that you can start a new life in Australia. Yeah, try to memorize your answer in advance so that you can feel confident and speak fluently in the exam.